Good morning, guys. Once again, Zahir is here. So we'll solve one more question on the LeetCode platform today also. As I have decided to just solve the question on the LeetCode daily, the daily basis. So I'll start off. Share my screen first. Hmm, we'll go to LeetCode platform first. So here I'll select one question, right? So actually this is the main interface of the LeetCode where you can just select your question on your basis. So here you can just select like difficulty. You can choose if you just select easy, all the easy question will be available, right? If you select medium, then all the medium level question will be pop up on your screen. If you select hard, all hard level question will pop up on your screen, right? And in this status, this is all about like attempted question, solved question in to dos, right? In the list, like in this question, like it's all about like top interview question, July's challenge, June challenges, and all those question will be here. And in the text, if you are particularly want to solve a question on a particular topic, you can select from here. If you want a question from array, you can select here. If you want question from a hash table, linked list, math, two pointer string, binary search, divide and conquer, dynamic DP, backtracking, and all those, right? So yeah, so where is I'll randomly select one question or unsolved question, and then we'll start off with today's question. Which one? Longest substring, zigzag, conversion, integer, anyone like which one we're gonna solve, right? Yeah, just select this one. Let's see. Swap nodes in pair. Let's see what's the question. Yeah. So this medium level question here, you can say this. We actually select the question from the medium level. That's obvious. It should be medium level, right? And here the likes and the dislike of question. Just keep in your mind whenever you are just selecting question on the LinkedIn platform, this lead code platform, you just check this likes and dislikes, right? If the likes are more, then definitely this question is awesome, right? You just need to try it once. So without wasting too much time, we're gonna start off. This is basically a linked list question, I guess. Yeah, it is linked list question. So we just need to swap nodes in pair, right? You'll begin on linked list, swap every two adjacent nodes and return its head. Yeah, ultimately we just need to return its head. You may not modify the values in the list and only nodes itself may be changed. Yeah, you cannot just swap the node values. You just need to swap the complete nodes. I mean, you cannot modify values inside the nodes, right? You can modify the complete node. You can change the nodes. So here is the example. Let's suppose it's given like 1 2 3 4. So we need to swap in pairs, right? Swap in pair in the sense if it is 1 2, it should be like 2 1, then it should be 4 3. Then one will be point to 4 like this, right? So you can see total submission is 9,47,089 and total accepted is 4,75,116. And here is my like code editor where I had to just write my codes, right? So this is the definition already. They created a structure in which there will be a value and there will be next pointer which will point to the next node, right? In the single linked list. And this is the main function where we just need to do the this operation, and ultimately we just need to return the head of the modified linked list. So we'll do one thing here. We just need to reverse two elements, right? Then we just need to 8. So we can do one thing like how I'm gonna solve this question, right? So um so if it is like 1 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. If this my linked list, right, the output should be like 2, 1, and 4, and 4, and 3. Then it should be 6. Then it should be 7. Basically, we are just reversing the two nodes, complete two node, and just adding this node to each other, and ultimately we just not returning the complete linked list. That's it. So so what we can do here, right? We just need to reverse this complete list. We just need to reverse it, and then we just need to reverse this. Then we just need to reverse this. Then we just need to keep adding, right? So yeah, I'll start off with the first reversal. Then in the loop, I'll keep the reversed of pair inside the loop, and I'll keep reversing and adding the node in my resultant linked list, and finally I just need to return the list. So I'll explain you through my code so that you can could actually understand nicely, right? So first of all, I'll create this previous, which is from head, and then list node, um list node current, which would be like head of next, and then list of node of, sorry, it should be n, capital N, node of next, and just keep as it is. It should be like, yeah, okay. Where I'm looking, yeah, this L should be capital also, yeah. Also, few edge cases, like if there is only single element present in the linked list, then there's no meaning of just going ahead, right? We just need to return that list. So I'll just do it here. If head is equal to null, or head of next is equal to null, right? We just need to return head. That's it. That's it. Okay, sorry guys, I was getting a call, so yeah, I'm back now. Where yeah, here. Okay, so yeah, we were dealing with the edge cases, right? So if there is only single element present in my linked list, or there are no element present in my linked list, we just need to return head. That's it. Then if there is two element present in the linked list, initially just reverse the initial nodes so that we could actually get the head value. So what we can do, head of next, and next is equal to current of next, net is equal to current of next. That's it. Then first of all, I just need to reverse the, like, sweep the first two nodes, right? For that, I can simply do, like, what I can do, um current of next is equal to previous. That's it. And current of next is equal to previous, and previous, um, previous, yeah, previous of, okay, that's nice. And head is equal to current, head should be current. And now what's happened, yeah, that's all done with my job. Then head is equal to current, right? And my previous is equal to previous is equal to, yeah, previous should be as it is. Now I'll go inside the loop. Now I'll carry forward my job. While current, right? Current of next is equal to previous, and here current should be at next. Now my current is equal to next. Current is equal to next. Current is equal to next, right? Current should is equal to next. That's all. And current is equal to next, and head is equal to current, and previous okay, and previous of next should equal to like null. That's all. Now while current, I'll keep doing this process, like this sweeping process repeat again and again, and I'll keep adding the sweeping element to my this list, right? So here my previous my current will be at next, so I'll do one thing. mm, okay, I'll make one more pointer like this, so that I can use my this previous into my main node of like tail, node of tail. And here uh, tail is equal to previous. Do one thing, tail is equal to previous, that's it. And tail of next is equal to tail of next is equal to null, so I can use my previous element here. So current, now my current is at next, and current is at next, right? Current is at next level. Current is at next level. Yeah, so I'll proceed ahead. And now my previous is equal to current, previous is equal to current, and previous is equal to current, and previous is equal to current, and next is equal to next is equal to current is equal to current is equal to current of next, current of next, that's it. Current of next, and here inside I can do like um, simply sweeping, right? And my next should, if next, if if current if current next is equal to next of next, right? That's all. And now here I need to do the sweeping. How I can do my sweeping is like simply I just need to just copy it, control C and control V. Here current of next, right? So previous is equal to current, that's it. Current actually my next value. And now current of next should be previous. Current of next should be previous, that's fine. And current of next previous, and then head is equal to current. Head is equal to current, that's good. Current of next is equal to previous, head is equal to current, tail is equal to previous, and tail of next is equal to okay, here I just need to do one thing. Just do one thing. Tail of next, tail of next, tail of next is equal to current. Tail of next is equal to current. Tail of next is equal to current. That's done. And my tail is equal to previous, right? Tail is equal to previous, and tail of next is equal to null. I think I'm done with my part. Let me check once, try and run this one. And finally, I just need to return the what? Return hit. That's all. I'll try and try run this one. So initially my previous would be like this one, and current would be this one, and next would be this one, right? So initially what happened, from here it will start. Current of next is equal to I'll just make over here. Current of next. Current is 2 and 2 of next. 2 of sorry, 2 of next should be 2 of next should be previous. Previous is 1, so it will go to 1. And tail is equal to previous. Tail would be at 1 and tail of next is equal to none. So this would be my like new list, right? New list. So that's all. Now it will like remove from here. So my next will be at 3. Next would be at 3, right? Next would be at 3. So I think I'll first of all I'll use it. So I'll remove the next pointer and all those things. Finally, first of all, let me explain you guys. So next would be at here, right? So and current is pointing to next. Current would be at here. So now current is present. So while current, it will go inside and do same procedure. Let me copy and paste here so that we can explain. Sorry, yeah. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control C, and let me take here so that we could Control V. Yeah, we are here. So current would be at 3. So now previous is equal to current. Previous will be here, and current is equal to current of next. Current would be at here. And if current is present, then next would be next of next. So next would be here. Now what's happened here? Yeah, current of next is equal to previous. Current of next is equal to previous. Current of next would be previous. 4 will be point to 3. 4 will be point to 3. So it will here 4 will be point to 3. That's all. And then head is equal to current. No, not head, yeah. Head is equal to current. I just need to remove it. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. Current of next is equal to previous. Then current would be at 4. 4 of next would be 3. That's all. And tail of next. Tail is here, right? Tail of next. Tail of next would be current. Current is 4. So it will come here and 4 would be here and 3 would be here. I'll remove it. I'll remove it and tail of next tail is equal to previous. Tail is equal to previous. Tail of next is equal to current. Tail of next is equal to current. Uh, Tail is equal to previous. I don't need to do this thing as of now. Yeah. So it will remove from here. Now only I'm left with this part. Okay. Now tail of next is equal to null. That's all. Now current of next is equal to previous. Now I need to do this one. Like okay. Okay, I'm getting a call, so I'll just pick it and hi guys, so I am back. Actually, it took a little time for me to just handle the situation because I had to send some mails, right? So it was a bit mandatory, so that's why it took time. Okay, forget about everything where we were, right? So yeah, we were trying and running this one, right? Okay, so tail of current of next is equal to previous, tail of the next is equal to previous, right? Here we reach here, right? Previous is equal to current. Now tail of next is equal to null. Okay, from here it's okay. Now what I need to do, I need to get my current here and previous is here, right? So for that, next of next of next. So I can do one thing like previous is equal to previous current of next is equal to previous. Okay, and now if next, then previous is equal to next, previous is equal to next, and current is equal to current of sorry previous of next, previous of next. It should be capital N. It should be capital N. That's all. I guess it should run. Let me try and run it. Okay. Yeah, I'll solve this problem. Let me start off with the beginning, and I'll try to solve this issue quickly. Initially my element is like this, and previous is here and current is here, right? And next is equal to current of next is equal to current of next will be at 3. Then tail, my tail will be available here. Then what I'm doing, current of next is equal to previous, current of next is equal to previous, 2 will point to 1, and head is equal to current, head will be at 2, right? Then tail is equal to previous, tail is equal to previous, and tail of next is equal to null, tail of next is equal to null. That's fine. Tail of next is equal to null. So I'll get 2 1. I'll get 2 1, and this will remove from here. And what's happened after that? Tail is equal to previous. That's okay, fine. Current is equal to next. Now current will be at 3. Current will be at 3, right? I don't need to do this thing. I'll do one thing. Yeah, okay, fine. There will be no issue. So I'll get this below so that we will be able to solve, right? Control V. Now current will be here and tail will be here. And current is present here, then it will go inside, and previous is equal to current. Previous will be at 3 and current is equal to current of next. Current will be at 4. If current now, sorry, yeah. If current is present, then next is equal to next of next. Okay, here I am lagging something. If current next is equal to current of next, it should be current of next, right? Now next should be at 5. That's fine. Now current of next is equal to previous, current of next is equal to previous. That's fine. Then tail of next is equal to current, tail of next is equal to current, and tail of next is equal to, okay, then I just need to do one thing here. uh, Tail is equal to previous, tail is equal to previous, and tail of next is equal to null. That's fine. Now if next is present, because till now what's happened, it would be like 4 and 3, right? Now here my next will be here. Right now tail will be at 3. That's fine. And now if next is present, previous is equal to next, previous is equal to next, and current is equal to previous of next, current is equal to previous of next. Okay, don't do this. If next is equal to next, just do one thing. Next current is equal to next. That's fair. Current is equal to next, then rest of thing will depend. Current is equal to next, my current would be at here, so it will, okay, yeah, it will again come here. Now my current is present, then previous is equal to current, previous will point to 5, and current will be at 6. That's good. Now if current is present, current is present here, next is equal to current of next, 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 next would be null, right? That's fine. Come below. Then current of next is equal to previous 6 5, tail of next is equal to current, tail of next is equal to current, it will go for 6, and tail is equal to previous, and tail of next is equal to, it will point like 5, it will be, sorry, 6, and it will point like 5. That's all. And it will uh, like after that, if next is not present, current is equal to next. If next current is equal to next, I'll do one thing, I'll just remove it and I'll do this. Current is equal to next. That's fair. Current is equal to next. Now current would be 0. Current would be null. Then it will come out and head will point to. Now it should run. Definitely it should run. I'm very sure. Yeah, it is running and it's working fine because one, if my input is 1 2 3 4, it should return 2 1 4 3 2 1 4 3. Let me change my test cases and I'll put more number and I'll check whether it is working for the more number or not. 5 6 7 8 9 10, right? 2 1 2 1 4 3 6 5 8 7 10, and it should work. But let me take a case where it is only like not even number. If it is odd number, what's happened here? What's gonna happen here? Okay, I need to do something over here. It will show some error, I know it. So I'll check here. Before coming here, I'll check. I'll check here if current of next, if current of next is equal to null, is equal to null. We just need to connect the tail of next to current and return head. That's it. And similarly, I'll just copy it and paste over here. Oh, where it is? Yeah, I'll paste over here. Now it should work fine because I have taken the case of odd cases over here. I can see it's working fine. Even this case should run finally. It should work fine. What if I have only two numbers? Okay, I guess there's little problem over here because I just need to understand here if current and then I need to check whether if the current itself is not available, then how I can expect current of next, right? Like, I mean, if current is null, then I cannot get the next of any null, right? So there's the problem. It should accept now, yeah. So now only single element also accept because I have taken this edge cases earlier. So you can see it shouldn't. What about the empty list? It should also run. It should also run finally. It should also run finally. It should also run finally. It should also run. I'll submit. I'm sure it will accept. Okay, I guess where's the problem? I mean, I got a problem, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 axis member within null pointer of list node. I guess why it is showing error. I don't know. Oh, let me check. Let me check. Let me check. I don't know. It should return any. Okay, 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 okay. I got it. Got the reason because yeah, yeah. Let me check once. Okay, guys. Let me check once here. I need to consider this also. Yeah, same problem here. I know it should run now because yeah, same is the reason where like I talk here, right? Well, I cannot access the null of next. Same problem I encounter it here. And it should it should exactly accept. You can see, yeah, it has been accepted. I'll yeah, the earlier the runtime error I explained, right? Why this came that time. So please try to just analyze your code before submitting. I use frankly speaking, I don't feel any shy or weird while accepting this, that I used to just submit very quickly, and this is the problem. Like there's the real problem which I am facing right now, and I need to just work upon this, and I need to work hard, and I need to just understand my code before submitting. And I suggest you guys also to do same, right? Because sometimes your code is absolutely correct, but these stupid things used to just make some runtime error and all those things. Logic is absolutely correct, but yeah, sometimes this used to may create problems. So I can so yeah, this has been accepted, and you can see like my run time is like 4 millisecond, which is faster than like 61 points to 11% of the C++ submission. And memory used, only used like 7.4 MB, which is like less than 78% of the C++ submission. So I'll stop here, guys. Okay.